Yo, what's good, YouTube? In this video, I'm gonna speak on how I trade off support and resistance. So let's hop right into it. Right here. Here's why I hopped in. You see this going down right here, right? Boom. It stops right here. Can't go down no further. That's the support level, right? So it went up some. Once it broke that, I hopped in. So anytime I break that rejection, if it's falling down, it break that support level. That's the support level. That's when you can hop in and short it. Don't be scared away by going up a little bit. It does that. As long as it break that support level, that's all that matters. And it made its way on down to right here. Boom, same thing. See, it broke that support level. If you draw a line going straight across, it broke that. Hop in and short the market. Went up some, came down a little bit and all that. Went up some more, but look, right here, it even broke support again a second time. So that's double confirmation to hop in. Shot up, which is okay because it did break support, and then resistance. It went down because that it's resisting the support level. It broke through it. You know what I'm saying? And look, I'm up this much money for now. Currently starting with $100 account up $10. So hey, support resistance. It works. I mean, it's the basics. It's the basics. Like you need to know this to be able to trade. If you don't know this, you're not going to be successful really. And it took me time to figure this out. It took me not giving up. And another thing, staying with your same strategy. Okay, don't be trying to learn how to do this and that. Because if you're working on one thing and then you see another, you see something new, say you on YouTube trying to learn whatever, and then you trying to learn a new strategy. Now you working on two things at once, which is automatically making it harder. And then you keep adding on more and more and more. And you working on this, and that. Stick with one thing and just, you know what I'm saying, fight it out and figure out how to make that strategy work. And, figure out how you could tweak it. Put your own sauce in it. Trade with, how you like to trade too. And, you see you start to make small profits, break even, and then before you know, you be a profitable trader. That's how it works. It don't happen overnight. You got to keep working on your strategy. And another thing, rules. Stick to your rules. Do not break your rules. I find myself, sometimes breaking my rule and the trade don't go my way. Why? Because I was not listening to my strategy. I was not listening to my rules. But we're human, so sometimes us traders, we do break our rules, but I try not to do that though. So that's all you got to do. Learn support, resistance, and use trend lines. Let's talk about trend lines. So, clearly we're in the downtrend. So what you would do is you take your trend line, start from here all the way at the top, and continue all the way down, taking on top of this second peak, on top of this second high right here, the second lower high, and just continue that straight line all the way down, right? And then once you see the stock start to come up eventually and then break that trend line, you can hop out. But that's why I talk about support resistance. You can hop out before that and get way more profit off shorting the market, because if you hop out before it break that trend line, you made more money. You're not waiting last minute to hop out. So that's just, another way, if that makes it easier for you. But the best way to do it is support and resistance. So, you know what I'm saying? Because you're in a lot earlier. Because as soon as it break that support, you either, you in the market trying to short it, or you either in the market, trying to go long on it. So I hope y'all understood how the way I was putting it to y'all. That's just simple supply and resistance. If you don't get it, go back, rewind my video, and you can also watch plenty of other videos. You know what I'm saying? There's plenty of videos. And then, trend lines. That is how I trade and make my profits. I mean, this stuff really does work, and, I've been trading for maybe like a year, almost a year. And this stuff takes time. It takes years to learn how to trade. Some people, they may hop in and catch on quick and learn fast, or get the right information, or maybe even go buy a course somewhere. But for your average individual out here, it's going to take you some time and hard work and not giving up. Because there was times I'm like, man, am I going to ever learn how to trade? Like, am I going to ever be profitable? I'm going to always have to work for money, it seemed like. But deep down in my gut inside, I always knew that I'll figure it out. As long as you don't try, I'm tripping. As long as you do try and don't give up, you will figure it out. and just stick to that. Like, remember that. Like, you know, like, what's that feeling inside? Like, do you feel it? Do you feel like you will be successful? If you do, then this is for you. So, man, I hope that helped y'all, man. And y'all can like this video, even subscribe. I don't care about YouTube. I'm just here to simply spread the knowledge. That's it, man. So, peace, man.